realised we had the old tin shed and we need to renovate and grow. Our membership went from about 4,000 people to about 20,000 people. So the project took 5 years. We wanted to live in a new cafe, morning tide cafe, so we've been sports bar, new gaming lounge, front foyer area, boardroom, barbershop, retail area, that sort of thing. So yeah, it all came together eventually. We invited architects to come together, submit tender their plans, and then we chose, there was about 5 architects that submitted plans, put that together, and then we chose one, which is BRD Constructions. And then we worked with those and obviously ultimately put out through the tender process, picked a builder, which was WHF Builders. And then in that, obviously, we had different furniture packages put together, and we ended up going with Nextrend with a furniture package as well. And Nextrend, once we decided to go on board with them from the initial meeting, they came through, they had a look at the floor plans. They came up with different furniture styles to go. I actually went down to the trade show down in Brisbane, sat in some of the chairs that they sort of picked out for me, made sure I'm comfortable and what I wanted at the club sort of thing. So we did that process, and then we went through the process with the design of the different colours of the chairs, how they matched in with the architectural design from BRD, and that all came together. You know, if we want to make changes, we made changes, move things around. So yeah, it's good to work with them. Enormous positive feedback from the patrons. Everybody loves the club, the furniture, the feel of the club. You know, we kept in with the beaches theme. That was part of the process. A few of these we changed out. We decided there was too much furniture in different areas. We actually had problems with the delivery date of the club itself, not the furniture, so we had to move that back. Keep on moving that back, and you know, they worked with us. They were fantastic. Nextrend went over and above my expectations, to tell the truth. As I said, we had some hiccups with the delivery times, and it was a simple process with Aaron from Nextrend, because they came up with a semi and all the gear came together. They assembled it all, put it in the spots they were supposed to put it. The club wasn't quite ready for them, so they flew back to Brisbane, and then they flew up another couple of weeks later, finished off the project, which they didn't have to do, which they did. So it was an easy process dealing with Nextrend. Working with Nextrend was just seamless at the end of the day. It was a good experience, and I'd recommend them to anyone. Yeah.